Welcome to ABM Edutech, your trusted partner in mastering technology and building your skills for the future. Whether you are stepping into the world of coding, exploring web development, or advancing your career in tech. In this video, we'll explore some essential HTML concepts, perfect for beginners and those looking to enhance their web development knowledge. By the end, you'll be one step closer to creating professional and effective websites. Let's get started with today's tutorial, and don't forget to check out our other resources and courses to continue your learning journey. First up, let's explore the line break tag. The BR tag is one of the simplest but most useful tools in HTML. When building a web page, there are times when you need text to flow onto a new line without starting a new paragraph. This is where BR comes in. For example, if you are creating a poem or a contact address on your site, you can use the BR tag to control where each line begins. Learning to use the BR tag will teach you how HTML interacts with text layout, an essential skill when structuring content for readability. Try incorporating it into your own examples, like a list or short message, and see the visual difference it makes. Next, let's look at how to center content. One of the simplest ways to center text or elements is by using the text line center CSS property. But, for more control, you might use the margin property for block elements. This method works perfectly for inline elements like headings, paragraphs, or images. On the other hand, if you want to center block elements such as divs, combine the margin property with auto. Now, let's talk about the horizontal rule tag HR. This tag is used to create a horizontal line, often used to separate sections of content. It's a simple yet powerful way to separate sections on a web page. Often used to indicate topic changes or to improve visual structure, an HR tag draws a horizontal line across the page. For instance, you can divide different sections in your personal blog or article using this tag. If you want to preserve the formatting of text, such as spaces and line breaks, you can use the pre tag. It maintains your text formatting exactly as you write it, displaying white space and line breaks. Next, we have the non-breaking space and NBSP. It's used when you want to add extra spaces between words or elements without the browser collapsing them. This is particularly useful when you need to prevent automatic line breaks. Now, let's clarify the difference between HTML tags and HTML elements. Tags are just the names of the HTML components, like P or H1. These are the keywords that delineate the structure of HTML. Elements, however, include both the opening and closing tags, plus any content in between. These are the objects on a web page, such as paragraphs, headings, or images. They are made up of HTML tags and the content between them. Next, let's talk about nested HTML elements. This happens when one element is placed inside another. For example, you can place a strong tag inside a p tag to make specific text bold while still having it inside a paragraph. The element that contains the other element is known as parent, and the tag which is contained in other element is known as child element. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. We explored line breaks, centering content, formatting tools that make HTML an incredibly versatile language. By understanding these concepts, you'll be better equipped to design thoughtful, user-friendly websites. For more such videos, please subscribe ABM Edutech and do like our videos. Also download our app ABM Edutech from the Play Store. Link is given in the description. Thank you. Happy coding!